Hello everyone, this is Aryan Thakkar, your coach and mentor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel on Aryan Tutorials, where in this video I'll be covering up your next structure of transformation, which is sentences with lest and alongside sentences with notwithstanding. So chalo, let's decipher how exactly your sentences are to be framed using lest or notwithstanding. Now, lest means for fear that, means if something does not happen then something negative can happen. ठीक है, so lest can also be interchanged with that of otherwise. आप lest को otherwise के तरह ट्रीट कर सकते हो, या फिर और else के तरह ट्रीट कर सकते हो, या फिर और के तरह ट्रीट कर सकते हो. ठीक है. And always remember that the structure for the sentences with lest goes like lest, subject, and then it has to be followed by should. आपको should लगाना होता है lest वाले sentences के साथ. And do not use any negative word like not in the clause with the lest. Please refrain from using the word not or the negative structure in lest वाला sentence. For example, सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. शी लेफ्ट अर्ली सो दैट शी वुडंट मिस द ट्रेन. नाउ वुडंट का मतलब हो गया would not. It's a contracted form of would not, which is wouldn't. So the answer would be she left early lest, so that की जगह आप lest लगा देते हो. she left early lest she should miss the train. That is how you have to transform using lest. He trained daily so that he would not lose the championship. He trained daily so that के जगह आप लगा दोगे lest. He trained daily lest he should lose the championship. Okay. He speaks politely so that he does not offend anyone. She speaks politely so that के जगह lest आ जाएगा lest she should offend anyone. And then they revised thoroughly so that they would not make mistakes. They revised thoroughly so that की जगह आ जाएगा lest they should make mistakes. That is how you have to transform your sentences using lest. ठीक है. अगर आप so that देखते हो, lest means for fear that, अगर आप so that देखते हो क्वेश्चन में, या आप otherwise देखते हो, और else अगर आप देखते हो, या और देखते हो, तो that gets replaced by lest and then subject followed by should. ठीक है. He should lose. So it is like lest, subject, and then should, and the remaining clause of the sentence. I hope that is clear. Now coming to sentences with notwithstanding. Notwithstanding basically means not denying the fact. That is what notwithstanding means. So notwithstanding के साथ हम लोग कोई भी adverb clause लगाते हैं, जो भी verb है उसका adverb form लगाते हैं. उसके लिए आपको adverb पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है. You need to know what is the adverb. Like honest का adverb हो जाएगा honesty. narrow का adverb हो जाएगा narrowness. cold का adverb cold ही होगा. ठीक है. injured का adverb हो जाएगा injury. ये सारे होते हैं आपके adverb which defines a verb. ठीक है. which adds further meaning to a verb. That is called adverb. So adverb clause लगा के आपको comma से अपना sentence बनाना होता है notwithstanding. या फिर there is another way of transforming that you can use, notwithstanding the fact, and then you write the clause, the first clause, followed by a comma and then the contrasting clause कि ऐसा हो जाता. ठीक है. So आइए मैं आपको transform करके दिखाता हूँ so that you get a better idea of how you have to transform your sentences using notwithstanding. She is honest, she is stubborn. So first formation इससे अगर form करे तो it will be notwithstanding. Now one more thing, बहुत बच्चे notwithstanding को ऐसे लिख के आ जाते हैं, notwithstanding, तीनों को अलग अलग. This is incorrect. This is not appreciated by the teachers. Notwithstanding is one word. Please do not write notwithstanding like that. ठीक है? So notwithstanding her honesty. So it is like not denying the fact that she is honest, comma, she is stubborn. This is one way. Or else you can say notwithstanding the fact that she is honest, comma, notwithstanding the fact that she is honest, comma, she is stubborn. That is another way of transforming your sentences with notwithstanding. या तो adverb clause या तो the fact that लगा के आप clause लगा सकते हो. Notwithstanding the fact that she is honest, comma, she is stubborn. Next one. Although the road was narrow, the driver sped through without slowing down. First version would be notwithstanding the narrowness of the road, comma, the driver sped through without slowing down. ठीक है, full stop. या फिर अरे notwithstand लिख दिया, sorry. It will be notwithstanding. ठीक है. Otherwise it could be notwithstanding the fact that the road was narrow, comma, the driver sped through without slowing down. That could be another way. ठीक है. Next one. Though the weather was cold, they went swimming in the lake. For this one, it will be notwithstanding the cold weather, comma, they went swimming in the lake. ठीक है. या notwithstanding the fact that the weather was cold, comma, they went swimming in the lake. That is how you have to transform. He was injured but continued the game. Notwithstanding his injury, comma, he continued the game. Yeah, notwithstanding the fact that he was injured, comma, he continued the game. ठीक है. Never use but, and, or in sentences with notwithstanding. You have to join the sentence using a comma. He apologized sincerely, but she remained angry. Notwithstanding his sincere apology, comma, she remained angry. Or notwithstanding the fact that he apologized sincerely, comma, she remained angry. So that is how you transform sentences using notwithstanding and lest. Okay, I hope your doubts would have been cleared in the structure. If you have any doubt, then you can drop your queries in the comment section below, I will definitely resolve that. And I hope you're liking my content. If you are, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I hope you're having a gala time preparing for your examination. Till then, keep smiling, keep studying. Take care. Bye bye.